In this video, we will see how to install Java 22 in Windows. Open Command Prompt and check the installed version of Java in your machine using Java version command. As you can see, I have Java 8 installed. Now let's download Java 22 installer package from Oracle website. Open dev.java in a browser and go to Download section. Click on green button says Download Java at oracle.com. Page will be redirected to Oracle website. Scroll down to select JDK version you want to install in your operating system. Here I am selecting JDK 22 in Windows. You have multiple options including zip file, exe installer, and MSI installer. Here I am downloading MSI installer as this is easy to run. It will take some time to download. Click on Downloaded File to start installation. Click on OK to go ahead. Click Next here, and Next again. Now it will take some time to unpackage and copy files. Click on Close button once installation is complete. Now open a new command prompt or terminal. Check Java version using Java version command. You should see JDK 22. Now let's run a simple Hello World program. Create a new directory with name Java Demo to organize our Java files. And move into it. Open file helloworld.java in Notepad. It will create one if it doesn't exist. Add main method with system.out.println hello world. Now move back to terminal and run this Java file using Java hello world.java command. It will print hello world in console. In this video, we installed Java 22 and run hello world program using it. Like, subscribe, and share if you like the content.